Hello, today I'm in LEXUS UX200. In this video I'll show you how to manage HUD. In the beginning, take a look behind the right side of the steering wheel. Right here we've got this panel. Press HUD button to enable or disable head-up display and press display button to change contents of the head-up display. Head-up display is located right here. In the end, you can use this button to change head-up display height. I'm not sure if you are able to see this. But that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.